The 14th Amendment of History. In 1868, the United States adopted the 14th Amendment to the Constitution. This amendment granted citizenship to all persons born in the United States and guaranteed them the equal protection of the laws. This was a significant step forward for the country because it meant that all people, regardless of race or color, were now legally considered citizens of the United States. However, the passage of the 14th Amendment did not end racial discrimination in the country. In fact, it took another 100 years for the United States to live up to the ideals of equality and justice that the amendment represented. But why did it take so long for the United States to become a more equal country after the 14th Amendment? Well, there are a number of reasons. One is that the amendment was not ratified until 1870, by which time slavery had already been abolished. Another reason is that the amendment was not enforced very strongly in the South, where racial discrimination was most prevalent. And finally, the Supreme Court ruled in an infamous case called Plessy v. Ferguson that racial segregation was indeed constitutional. It would be a long time, but eventually the United States would come to understand the true meaning of the 14th Amendment. For more historical tales, stay tuned.